Oh, it's of a jolly soldier that lately came from war. He loved a fair young damsel, a damsel so fair, and her fortune was so great that it could scarcely be told. And she loved her jolly soldier boy because he was so bold. Oh, then cried the lady, I fain would be your wife, but me father he is cruel, and he'd surely taken me life. He drew out his sword and pistol, and he hung them by his side, and he swore that he would marry her and let what would betide. So they went and they got married, and as they were coming home, they met with her old father and 7 armed men. Let us flee, cried the lady, for we surely will be slain. Fear nothing, my dear charmer, the soldier cried again. Then up came the old man, and none to heard it say, it's for your disobedience to me this very day, since you have been so mean as to be a soldier's wife. Down in this lonesome valley I will surely end your life. Oh, now, cried the soldier, I do not like your prattle, for although I am a bridegroom, I am well prepared for battle. He drew out his sword and pistol, and he caused them for to roar, and the lady held the bridle while the soldier battled sore. First one he came to, he ran him through a main, and the second one he came to, he served him just the same. Let us flee, cried the others, for we surely will be slain. Fight on, my dear charmer, the lady cried again. Stay your hand, cried the old man, you make me blood run cold, and you shall have me daughter and 5,000 pounds in gold. Fight on, cried the lady, for his offer is too small. Stay your hand, cried the old man, and you shall have it all. So he's taken them both home, and he's laid them both his heirs. And it wasn't out of love, but it was from dread and fear, for there never was a soldier ever carried a gun who would ever flinch or budge an inch till the battle he had won. So don't despise a soldier just because he's poor. He's as happy on the battlefield as at the barrack door, for they are the lads to be jovial, brisk and free, and they'll fight for the pretty girls for rights and liberty.